Hi, love. So, for about a year now, Asheka bother me. Mommy do my voiceover, mommy do my voiceover. So, here we go. I love this music. Here we go. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, people. Hi. Oh, she said, hi, mommy. Hi, Sheka. Wanna do it? Just a little thing where we do. Never mind. All right. So she use brush and she brush her eye. Oh no, that's the pencil. So she use the pencil and with her eyebrow done, and she use the brush. All right, what is that? Pro something? I don't know. All right, she use it and she align her eyeliner. No, wait, that's the eyebrow. Oh Lord, that's the eyebrow. And she, this is like painting. All right, so she paint the, what's that, foundation. She paint the foundation over her eye. Oh, that's a color. I don't know what color that is, but anyway, she paint her eye up on top of her eye. And then, what's that, brown? I don't know. I just pay attention to the colors because I don't know colors like that. Alright, so she use the brush on her eye top. Okay, so I guess you just put it on, and then you use different color. And you get it to the shade where you want. What's that, pink? Alright. I guess you'll go for a color. Okay, so you keep doing it up on top of the eyelid. Alright, keep doing it. What's that? Lipstick? Oh no, eye thing. The eye thing, okay. Different color, kind of shiny. Okay. And notice she had the top of her eyelid. Okay. All right. Good job. What's that? Big spot? Okay, that's the, what that called again? Okay, now she had the fake eyelash. And I guess she have glue on the that's glue on. Listen, y'all pay attention to what she show, because I don't know. Alright, use her hand and she rub up the foundation. She said glowing. Yes, girl, glowing. What's that? Okay, foundation. She put it on the brush. Look like she put too much. Okay, that's brown foundation. Huh? What's that? I don't know. Okay. She go in again with, I don't know what is that, some kind of cream. And she put it over her eye, our face, nose, everywhere, just the face. Okay, under the eye too. Alright, she said good job. I think that's called the, what that, the lightener? The lighten up her face. Okay. Alright, she had her moustache. If you don't know, Asheka have hair, moustache, like a man. Anyway, so you paint under your eye, your nose, or your cheek. Oh, that's a different color. Okay, sister. And she rub it in. So you rub it in with the brush. Okay, now she dab all the way close to your hair, so it not be different color on your face. All right, dab forehead, dab with the brush, and I think that's a foundation. I don't know. No, ooh, she still come back. Here she go. All right, that's the, I don't remember what that called, but anyway, that's a sponge. Yes, that's the sponge. All right. Ooh, lift your nose up and get in the creases. Yes, sister. All right. So I guess that's more foundation. I don't know. That looked like a lot of foundation, but yeah. Oh, Okay, that might be a concealer. Alright, dab 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 with the sponge, and that's a hair okay, that look like a powder. Okay, under the eye, under the nose with the powder. Ooh, too much powder. And then you put two different color, brown and another color, and then she use the brush now. Okay, all over the face, and then you blend the colors in, dab your nose a little bit with the, oh, this is a tiny brush, and that's gonna bear with me, I don't know what those things called. Here we go. Two different powder mixed together. This is a funny looking brush. All right, and we got lights going on. Oh, glow. Okay, glow. Oh, she extra. Look at that. Extra. Oh no, now it's on her lip. Look at that glow. Go on, baby girl, with your extra self. On top of the nose. Look at that glow though. Yes. Under the eye again. This is too much work. Under the eye with a different color. I guess you're looking for a particular look. All right. Under the eye. What is that? Okay, mascara. She's going in with the mascara again. I think she's doing that eye already. And now she's doing the pencil on the mouth, on her lips. There we go. That's a dark color. And now she's going in with the lipstick. And now she's using her finger to pat her lip with the lipstick. And now we're setting. Yay, we're all done. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, baby girl. Yes. Your extra door, lad. Your pretty door. Bye. Oh no, she just a fan. She dry on the whatever setting spray. You look nice, baby girl. So listen, y'all, subscribe, comment, tell her how much you love her makeup and the way she do it. I hope you learned something today. All right, bye, loves.